I'm back after a COVID infection to share my Graef grinder settings for V60. There are countless brewing routines out there, and today I'll briefly replicate the one from my head barista friend Danilo that we used during the trial run. For details on the coarseness settings, click on the link to my personal coffee studies in the description below. The V60 coarseness setting for my Graef CM702 was 20, without any washers installed underneath the grinding cone. For your own coffee, you can start with this setting and go finer from there. Note that my grinder came from the factory with one 0.2mm washer installed, but another YouTuber mentioned the same grinder being sold with 2 washers already installed. Either way, you'll have to remove all washers before starting. We're aiming for a brew time of around 2 to 2.5 minutes with a light roast. Grind 15 grams of coffee and boil 230 grams of water. Double rinse the V60 filter with boiling water while on top of the jug to clean and preheat both. Then add your ground coffee to the V60. Make a small hole or bird's nest in the center to make sure all coffee gets wet during the first phase. Throw the water out of the jug, put the V60 and jug on the scale and tare to 0. Add water in a clockwise direction, specifically double the weight of the coffee dose, in this case 30 grams. This addition takes around 30 seconds, so time it from the start. While the water seeps through, swirl the V60. After 30 seconds, add 150 grams of water. No need to go slow, as this could increase bitterness. At 180 grams, wait a few seconds, then continue to quickly add 50 grams. Pour the last 30 grams while staying in the center. While the last water seeps through, give 2 stirs counterclockwise and 2 stirs clockwise, followed by a final swirl. When the flow has stopped, remove the V60 and stir the coffee in the jug. Your coffee is now ready to drink. For some detailed tips on fine-tuning, bypassing dark roast and cold tasting, see the description, and see you on the next video.